teacher Colleen. So today I'll be showing you how to make your own DIY Grey's Anatomy ID badge for your Halloween costume. Me and my sister went to school with a Grey's Anatomy themed costume. So nevertheless, I am here to show you in case you are looking for the same exact thing. So online there are many templates when you search up Grey's, because you see this is a PNG version, so it's clear. So the first method I'm going to show is with superimpose right here. I cropped it all the way down to this. You want to go to mask tool, and this tool right here that I'm selecting, the blue one, that will let you erase, but you want to erase the background in general. So you're going to take the one on top of it, and it's going to happen that it's going to take everything out, so you have to hold on it and drag. Hold on the outside part and drag, and literally that's it. That's all you do. And then inside here, do the same thing. Don't just tap, hold and drag a little bit, and there you go. That's how you erase it. Then for the photo part, you want to go to layers down here and click the plus photo layer, and you're going to choose a picture of your choice. I'm picking this, and you're going to put in 4x5. So this is the most accurate one to the actual ID. The other ones are too large, too small, whatever. So 4x5, and you're gonna make it smaller depending on how you want it. Put your picture in there, and this is the picture I have. See, it's almost there, so I'm just gonna put it on top, then stretch it. Stretching it makes the picture look weird, so you can not stretch if you want, but I don't really care, so I do stretch it. And that's it. Now for the bottom part, you're going to click the plus photo layer, and you want to go down here where it says colors, and you want to select here the first one, click white. Then also make sure you click on this first cube over here, not this one, this one. We're gonna click 4x3, and if it says this, just say yes, fix it. And we are going to take this cube and make it straight. Then you're gonna just drag it, stretch it like that, stretch like that, and that is it, right guys? That is it. So you are done. Now you want to click the plus button, upload button up there. Make sure it's on PNG, blended image, and save to your photos. Now we're gonna head over to Fonto, which is how we're gonna put our text. So I'm gonna upload that same picture I just had. Click done. Tap on the photo, add text, and the font for your actual name, like the doctor name, is Times New Roman bold. So if you're on Fonto, go to fonts, not my fonts, go to fonts, Times New Roman bold. Then I'm gonna write my name. So I'm just gonna write legit Colleen for this one. Then it had MD. And the size you want to put, make sure it's black. Don't put no shadow on it. Size you want to put is 56. And you could center it. Then you want to click again, add text. Then you want to put the head of, let's say, neurosurgery. Oop. So head of neurosurgery, go to font and click Times New Roman, the regular one right here. And this sizing will be 40. Size of apple level 46. That. Save as a PNG so that it will still have the clear background. Go to print it on a white background and resize it to make it smaller. And once you print it, it is going to have white around it. Just cut it out with an X-Acto knife and cut this little part too. The gray you will cut out. That is meant as a guideline so you know where to cut. And so is the gray here. So you cut along these lines. And then just glue it on top of cardstock before you actually cut it out. And you just put your little clip, or you could put a paper clip if you don't have an actual ID clip, and it'll work perfectly. So if you by chance do not have Superimpose X because it costs $5 or $6, it's paid. Here's a free app to use, and it is called Magic Eraser. So I'm just gonna open it. Photo. Then you want to open the picture, and it's most likely gonna have a white background. click done. Make sure it's cropped so it's like not a lot to erase. Then the tolerance down here, this, go all the way to 1 to 3%. That's all you should go to. And make sure it's on this little wand over here in the corner. Tap on the background like that. Just tap and you see it's erased. Everything is good. And then you want to go here, tap, and make sure it's erased. And remember I said to keep the gray border so that when you're cutting it out it'll be easier. It says tap to save. Make sure you go to PNG, the one on my right hand side. So click it, high resolution, and it's saved. So I'm gonna go to my photos, and it is saved PNG just like the one I did before. Done erasing your picture, you're gonna go into PixArt, which is also free. Click the plus sign, and you're gonna go down here and click add photo, and select your photo. Click add at the top right hand corner, and this one will let you align it correctly. Click apply, next, photos, done. Since we need to add our text, we're just gonna go in again with the one we just saved. We're gonna go to draw, use a color picker to use the same color. Make sure it's a regular circle, size it up, and you're just gonna erase it. Make sure you erase everything. Click apply and save your picture. Once your picture is saved from PixArt, you just want to go to Fonto, and you're basically gonna do what I showed in the first method, and that is write your name and your head of blank. So if you didn't watch that first part, I'm going to show you the font you should use. Times New Roman, bold, and color is black, no shadow, size 56, and don't forget to add your MD. Then for the head of, the font is regular Times New Roman, and you're gonna make this about 45, 46, and center it and save as a PNG. And that is it for that method. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for more. Enjoy your Halloween. I hope this helps you with your outfit one day. Just print it out, cut it out, put it on some cardstock or some cardboard, and glue it down, and put a little pen and put it on your little doctor's coat or nurse outfit. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for 1.1K subscribers already, and stay tuned for the iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing coming in 2 weeks.